So today I'm going to show you quickly how to add a bank or a card onto your PayPal account. So if that's what you're needing to do, this is the video for you here today. Now, before we get into that, if you are someone who is needing to refinance their student loans, check out my link down below to learn how to do it entirely for free and also get a nice little bonus for you as well to go through that process. Now, loading up right over here, we're going to have PayPal currently available for you to see here in real time. Now, what we're going to do is learn how to add this extra bank account because maybe we want to pull money into that account or maybe pull money from that account. Either way, this is going to show you exactly how to add that bank. Now, what we're going to do is be here on the main page of PayPal. Sometimes yours might look a little different than mine, so just something to keep in mind. And what we want to do is click on the gear shift on the top right hand corner, and what that's going to do is it's going to bring in some information for you that you want to be able to plug in. And you're going to see where it says banks and cards. So we're going to first and foremost go ahead and click on that option right over there. And from here, it is going to give you the option on the very top right hand corner. You're going to see a little plus sign to go ahead and add your information. So we're going to do that. And here it's going to ask, do you want to do a bank account or do you want to do a debit or credit? So as an example, if we go ahead and click on bank account, it's going to go ahead and just relog me in as far as extra security. And it's going to load up over here. And then it's going to show you a bunch of different banks for you to go ahead and click on and type in, or you could go ahead and type in your bank at the top. Now, if you wanted to, what we can do is kind of just show you the next step here is if we go ahead and click on, let's say like Wells Fargo, and then have that load up over here. Takes just a few extra seconds. Now, the main way to go ahead and add your account here, as you can see, is by adding in your username and your password. Now, PayPal is very secure, but if for some reason you don't feel comfortable doing so, towards the bottom half, you can see over here where it says link your bank account another way, and it does typically take 2 to 3 business days, and that's where they send you a small dollar amount into your account and then withdraw it back out, and then you just plug in the verified amounts. Now, for me personally, like I said, I like going through the name and password so that way I can have everything logged in right away. But again, it's always up to you. And if we go back here, and I'm going to show you for the debit card or credit card, if we go ahead and click back on that plus, you're going to see where it says right over here for the debit or credit. We're going to click on here, and it says for a debit card, you can link that in manually, or if you have a couple of the very popular credit cards, you can go ahead and log in just like we did earlier with the bank. So we're going to click on debit or credit, and it's going to go ahead and ask you to type in your information. So from here, you're just going to be on your way to plug in your information, and then it's going to just have it verify that that is your card, and you are good to go, and that card is now on file to be able to either pull money from or pull money into altogether. Now, if you want to keep on learning more about PayPal, I want you to check out my video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.